Hello and good day. I am Christian G. Paes, a degree holder and a licensed avionics specialist. I took up my Bachelor of Science in Avionics Technology at the prestigious Pats College of Aeronautics, which is known as the #1 aeronautical school in the Philippines. I am from the province of Nueva Ecija, which is known as the rice capital of my country, and we Nueva Ecijanos are famous for being hardworking people. One of my good traits is being punctual. As I remember, when I was still studying, I am always ahead or on time for my classes. You can refer to my department head about that. I am a jolly person. You can approach me easily. I am honest, loyal, and trustworthy. I can work in a group and can still manage to do work alone. I have good communication skills in both English and Filipino language. My trainings and seminars improve my abilities in soldering, reading schematic diagrams, and especially troubleshooting. My neighbors is an employee of your company. He is the one who told me that you are looking for an avionics specialist. He said working with your company will enhance my skills further. I researched about your company and I found out that you are one of the best in the country. Your facilities, equipments, and techniques pass the international standards that can compete with other countries. 5 years from now, I can see myself as a senior mechanic in your company. And also, with my knowledge and skills in the field, I can also be a lecturer in your maintenance training programs. You should hire me because I assure you I will give my best and I have the passion for the job. And as a young avionics specialist, I have the determination to learn and the willingness to work. I am looking forward to work for your company in the near future.